What is digital marketing? Digital marketing encompasses all marketing efforts that use an electronic device or the internet. Businesses leverage digital channels such as search engines, social media, email, and other websites to connect with current and prospective customers. What is the role of digital marketing in a company? While traditional marketing might exist in print ads, phone communication, or physical marketing, digital marketing can occur electronically and online. This means that there are a number of endless possibilities for brands, including email, video, social media, or website-based marketing opportunities. How does a business define digital marketing? Digital marketing is defined by the use of numerous digital tactics and channels to connect with customers, where they spend much of their time online. From the website itself to a business's online branding assets, digital advertising, email marketing, online brochures, and beyond, there's a spectrum of tactics that fall under the umbrella of digital marketing. The best digital marketers have a clear picture of how each digital marketing campaign supports their overarching goals. And depending on the goals of their marketing strategy, marketers can support a larger campaign through the free and paid channels at their disposal. A content marketer, for example, can create a series of blog posts that serve to generate leads from a new ebook the business recently created. The company's social media marketer might then help promote these blog posts through paid and organic posts on the business's social media accounts. Perhaps the email marketer creates an email campaign to send those who download the ebook more information on the company.